Getting a refund for Revolut can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you navigate the refund process. Step 1. Open the Revolut app. Launch the Revolut app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Go to Transactions. Navigate to the Transactions section within the app. This is where you can view all your recent payments and purchases. Step 3. Select the transaction. Find and select the transaction for which you want to request a refund. Tap on it to view more details about the payment. Step 4. Request a refund. Look for the option to request a refund. This may be labeled as refund or dispute. Follow the prompts to submit your request, providing any necessary information or documentation. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your refund request, wait for confirmation from Revolut. You may receive updates via the app or email regarding the status of your refund. By following these steps, you can efficiently request a refund from Revolut. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to the customer support for further assistance.